Hello everyone and welcome. Into this video we're going to be looking at how to create an account on the Kahoot app. So let's get started. So we've downloaded and installed it from the Play Store. Now let's create an account. Welcome. Let's go. Already have an account, login. You don't have an account, click on next. We don't have an account. What type of account would you like to create? So you can create a teacher's account, a professional account, student account, a personal account. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a teacher's account. Then later I'll show you how to create a professional account. And in that video I'll show you how to create a student account. That video I'll show you how to create a personal account. So let's start with the teacher account. Tap on teacher. Which bird describes your workplace? Did you teach in a school, higher education, business, or other? I'm a teacher. Let's say I teach in a school. So next, create an account. Log in or sign up to create Kahoot. Host them in class or assign as assignments and access game reports. Okay. So we're going to start sign up. Now you can create an account using your email. You can continue with Google, with Microsoft, with Apple, with Clever, or continue with single sign-on. So let's say I want to create using, let me use email. Okay. Let's use email. Yeah. So let me use email. Okay. Password. You create a password next. Let's say my password is this. Then you show that you're human by tapping on that. Then if you want to receive information of fast accommodations, you can turn this on. If you don't, leave it off. Tap on sign up. Save. Sign up successful and tap on continue. Prepare for awesomeness. Alright. So let's see what happens next. Don't forget to check out the other videos on how to open an account. What we're doing right in teacher's account on Kahoot. So we also have the student account, we have the personal account, and we have one more account. So we're going to check them out in other videos. So don't forget to check them out. If you don't want to open a teacher's account, you can simply watch the video on how to make if a student, you can watch the video on how to create a student account, then other types of account too. Okay, like I said, it's already opening up. Alright, so there's even an offer. There's a new year offer where you can make classroom sessions more engaging with Kahoot Plus Gold, and it only costs 260,500 a year, but you can get a 7-day free trial. The offer ends in 1 day for me. Okay, so I don't want to do any of this. On cancel at the top there. The student becomes a teacher with new student passes from Kahoot. Make your student the host of their own learning experiences with access to the Kahoot Creator and award-winning learning apps from Dragonbox and PAL. So you can close or you can try out. So let's just close this. So you can tap here for more ways to play a favorite Kahoot or try out new games on the app. Let's go. So we have math games, as you can see. We have math games here. We have play Kahoot. So this is game mode, treasure trove, chill out, classic. Then we have study mode where we use flashcards, practice, test yourself. You can also discover other apps here. It's as simple as that. So we are in. Hope you found this video helpful. This is the main page. So do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.